Continuing professional development in proofreading and editing. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a very crucial aspect of a career in proofreading and editing, continuing professional development or CPD. Whether you're an aspiring editor or you've been in the field for years, this concept is pivotal to staying relevant and effective in your job. Let's dive in. CPD, in essence, refers to the proactive learning and training activities that professionals engage in throughout their careers. In the world of proofreading and editing, CPD ensures that you stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices in the industry. Think of it as the software update for your professional skills. 1. Adaptability. Language is ever-evolving. New words, styles, and trends emerge. Through CPD, you can keep up with these changes. 2. Credibility. Continuous learning boosts your credibility among peers and potential clients. It shows dedication and professionalism. 3. Efficiency. With new tools and techniques coming up frequently, staying updated can make your editing and proofreading tasks much more efficient. Workshops and seminars. Many institutions and organizations offer specialized workshops catering to editing skills, language nuances, and the use of new software tools. Online courses. There are countless online platforms where you can find courses tailored for proofreading and editing skills. Reading. Journals, articles, and books related to language, grammar, and the industry can be invaluable. Networking. Joining professional associations or groups can offer opportunities to learn from peers, attend events, and get access to exclusive resources. 1. Assess your needs. Identify the areas where you feel you need improvement or new knowledge. 2. Set clear objectives. Decide on what you want to achieve through CPD in a specified timeframe. 3. Choose relevant activities. Depending on your needs, enroll in courses, attend workshops, or read specific materials. 4. Review and reflect. At regular intervals, reflect on what you've learned and how it's benefiting your career. This reflection helps in setting future CPD goals. To wrap up, remember that the world of proofreading and editing is dynamic. Staying static isn't an option if you wish to thrive. Continuing professional development is the vehicle that can drive you forward in your career. Here's to never-ending learning and the relentless pursuit of excellence in the craft of editing. Until next time, happy reading and editing.